Hello, it's Paul from Extra Hand Solar Clean. Please see the following video. It's all about roof treatment and pressure washing, in particular on Colorbond roofs.
This property is located in Sydney's northern suburbs within the Ku-ring-gai council area. We first attended the site in April 2025 to clean the solar panels and carry out a light clean of a specific section of the roof. While the panels were successfully cleaned, it quickly became clear that the roof itself was heavily contaminated with lichen. This level of lichen growth is not good for solar panels, as it increases the risk of damaging spores transferring back onto the panel surfaces after cleaning, reintroducing damaging algae. Due to the extent and maturity of the growth, a full roof clean was not recommended at that time without first treating the roof to kill the lichen properly.
A biocide treatment was applied and left to do its magic over a few months. When we returned to clean the roof, the results were immediately evident.
So here we are, some months after the treatment, and we've got some lichen there, and we'll show you the difference. So that's dead lichen.
Because the lichen had been neutralized before cleaning, the pressure and time required to clean the roof were significantly reduced. Unlike roofs that have not been pre-treated, the black circular staining left behind by previous lichen growth effectively disappeared. On untreated roofs, these marks often cannot be removed, regardless of pressure used. The reduction in cleaning time meant the cost of the biocide treatment was effectively offset during the clean itself, making it a $0 upgrade in real terms. Just as importantly, this approach minimizes mechanical stress on the roof surface while delivering a far superior finish.
As a result of this process, we are able to confidently provide a 2-year warranty against lichen and algae regrowth, helping protect the roof long-term and reduce the risk of contamination returning to the solar panels.
This work was completed by Extra Hand Solar Clean. I'm Paul Clements, owner and operator. We specialise in safe solar panel cleaning and proven roof treatment solutions. Our biocide treatments are backed by a 2-year warranty against lichen and algae regrowth. To protect your roof and your solar investment, contact Extra Hand Solar Clean.